Inner rest. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Matthew 11:28. When things come against you in your health, your finances, or relationships, it's easy to get upset and let your mind constantly dwell on the what ifs. If your mind never rests, if you live wrought up, fighting everything you don't like, you're going to be worn out. Your physical body can rest, but inner rest is just as important as outer rest. If you start resting, turning it over to God, He'll go to work. He sees what's happening. He knows what wasn't fair. And the good news is, God already has the solution. He has a way to not just bring you out, but He's going to make the enemy pay for bringing the trouble. He's going to bring you out better. Now do your part. Bring it to Jesus and sit down and rest in faith. Quit worrying and trying to figure it out. There are no logical solutions to some situations. The scripture says, lean not to your own understanding. It's okay to take your seat and live from a place of rest, a place of peace, a place of trust.